In today's video, I'm going to go over a quick and easy 2-minute massage that you can do in the comfort of your home, wherever you are. Let's face it, a lot of you are dealing with the sinus pressure. You're dealing with a lot of clogged sinuses, ear pressure, ear popping sounds, and you just want to find immediate relief. We can't always get to a doctor's office, so we need to do things in the process in order to feel better at the time that we feel these symptoms. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our 2 fingers, or 1, whichever is more comfortable. I usually use 2, and we're going to locate something called the ethmoid and sphenoid sinus. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a little pressure right here, just on the bridge of our nose at the top here, and we're going to start sliding downward. See, we're going to start doing this here. Now, as you're doing it, you're going to start noticing those nasal passages open up like pretty quickly. I would say it's pretty instant. And you just continue to do this rhythm here. You're going to go into this type of formation. You're just going to keep massaging downward. And this is where we get a lot of pressure build up over time. And because of seasonal allergies, pollen in the air, things that are agitating us, even pet dander, we need to be able to do something quick in order to avoid some of that pressure buildup, which can lead to other and more harmful things. So literally take 2 minutes out of your day, locate this pressurized spot right here, and just slide down. Do that about 25 to 30 seconds at a time. You'll notice some immediate relief. I hope that video was very helpful for you. If it was, please take time to subscribe to the channel. I try to bring content as often as possible. But in the meantime, I'm going to step out of the Jaye Wellness Studio and leave you in good hands with this video. Like anything else, folks, we're here to simply go back to the basics. Take care, everybody, and I'll catch you in the next video.